Hello student, today we'll discuss optical fiber modes and configuration. So basically two commonly used the fiber types. First one is your step index fiber and second type is gradient index fiber. These two types, it depends upon variation in the material composition of a core. Material composition of a core. If in the first case the refractive index of the core is uniform throughout, refractive index of the core is uniform throughout and undergoes a abrupt change, means step at the cladding boundary, this is called a step index fiber. In second case, core refractive index is made to vary as a function of the radial distance from the center of the fiber. This is gradient index fiber. So both the step and gradient index fiber can be further divided into single mode and multi-mode classes. So single mode, its name implies one mode of propagation, whereas in multi-mode fiber contain many hundreds of modes. Many hundreds of modes. So in multi-mode fibers offer several advantages compared with single mode fiber. So if you observe the diagram, in that one, see the core, these are the core diameter defined as 50 to 100 micrometer. If you observe the multi-mode step index fiber, they are 50 to 200 micrometers, and in the monomode, also called as monomode step index fiber, its diameter is 8 to 12 micrometer. 8 to 12 micrometer. Okay, if you compare the step index fiber with the gradient index fiber, their core diameter of multi-mode gradient index fiber is high. Okay, so due to this, larger core radii of multi-mode fiber make it easier to launch optical power into the fiber. Launch optical power into the fiber. Facilitate the connecting together of a similar fiber. Second, the light can be launched into multi-mode fiber using the light emitting diode as a source. Light emitting diode as a source. Diameter is large, so we can use the light emitting. But whereas in single mode fiber must generally use laser diode. Generally uses a laser diode. So if you use a LED as an optical source, then LED advantages is that LED having required output power, we can consider that the LED easier to make, advantages, less expensive, require less complex circuitry, and have longer lifetime than laser diodes. One drawback of the LED is LED have less optical power than laser diodes, thus making them more desirable in certain applications. So in disadvantage of multi-mode fiber is that they suffer from intermodal dispersion. When an optical pulse is launched into the fiber, the optical power in the pulse is distributed over all of the modes of the fiber. Each of the mode then can be propagated in a multi-mode fiber travel at a slightly different velocity. This means that the mode in given optical pulse arrive at the fiber end at slightly different times, thus causing the pulse to spread out in time it travel along the fiber. So this effect is known as intermodal dispersion or intermodal distortion, and this can be reduced by using the gradient index profile in a fiber core. So this allows gradient index fiber to have much larger bandwidth than step index fiber. Even higher bandwidth are possible in single mode fiber where intermodal dispersion effect are not present. Okay, so if you observe the diagram, here is the laser as used as optical source. So in one light will be passed in a one direction. Okay, here in multi-mode step index fiber, light will be strike on the cladding, it will be reflected, bounce, and like this one will be passed. Okay, in multi-mode fiber, again LED as optical source. Okay, so but the light will not directly straight, it will touch to the cladding, it will be like these are the bending and it will be touches to the cladding. This thing is happen because here the core, throughout the core, the refractive index is varied from the center of the radar. Okay, so due to this one, the optical fiber, this light will be bent and it will be touches to the cladding. This is nothing but your index profile. Okay, 2A is the nothing but diameter. This 2A is the diameter. Okay, here we define the same. Okay, in notation R is equal to 0 in the center and here R is equal to A. Okay, and these are the diameter of the core, like this one. Okay, so depending upon the applications, if you want to transmit the signal at far away, according to we have to select the types of the fibers. Okay, so hope so you understood. Thank you.